Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to log out from Tik Tok app. Okay, so in order to do that you need to go to your profile, okay, by tapping on this profile icon over here. And on this screen you can see at the top right we have these three dots. Just tap on that and you need to scroll down at the very bottom of this screen, and here we have this logout link. Okay, so just tap on that and here we have this pop-up, are you sure you want to exit? Okay, so you just need to tap on this confirm link. We are now logging out. Okay guys, and we are now logged out. Okay, you can again tap on this profile icon and you can log in by using this link over here. Okay, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.